Yes, 99.6 Radio Almarkas. Yes, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are, welcome back in BMC Corner English Discussion, of course. Good afternoon. How are you guys, sahabat Almarkas? How are you? Yes, fine, good, excellent, of course. And as usually every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m., of course, we have a special program, namely BMC Corner English Discussion, and with me, RD Sam. And yes, I'm not alone here. We have friends from mana? I don't know from, yeah. Okay, so before we are going to talking about our topic for this afternoon, of course, I would like to I would like to introduce themselves one by one to you, Sahabat Al Marquez. Okay, please use this mic, please. Please. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Hi. How are you guys? Good. Good. Yes. Okay. Good. Excellent. Pretty well, and etc. But I would like to ask you guys before we are going to talking or discuss or conduct our discussion, our program for this afternoon. I would like to ask about your identity. I would like to start from you. Please introduce yourself to Sahabat Al Marcus. Your name, your domicile, your activity, your hobby, please.
Okay, hello Sahabat Almarkas, I'm here again.
Yeah, again.
This is my second time.
Welcome back.
Okay, hi, I am Deva and Deva Intrusidi. You can call me Deva. Recently, I live in Parantambung, but my daily activity is in Limbung as a manager curriculum and administration in Azhar Islamic Modern School.
Oh, manager, yeah. Bu manager. Yes, your hobby.
My hobby is going to go ride,
Mm-mm.
riding, strolling the city with my motorcycle.
Mm-hmm.
I and then yeah, just traveling or something.
Listen to the music.
Yes, listen to the music, of
Sometimes,
course.
of course. Sometimes, of course. And what else?
Yeah, I think it's that.
Okay, is that? What is your role in BMC?
Okay, my role, I am head of the social and religions division in Bright English Meeting Club Indonesia.
Okay, so how do you think so far about BMC, British English Meeting Club Indonesia?
That a good that BMC is the good place to improve your speaking.
Yeah.
Because majority in our meeting we trying to speak a lot, not just giving a material or learning vocabulary. We learn with action
And free
like-
of charge, yeah?
Yes,
You
of
don't need
course.
to pay parking.
Yes.
You don't need to pay drink, food.
Yeah,
You
and
don't need to pay for course.
yeah, and BMC give us like a snack.
Just bringing your snack.
Yeah, just bring your
and, we,
snack.
and we eat together, yeah? Like a picnic, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's like family gathering.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, thank you. Welcome back, Deva. Okay, I'll be back to you. Okay, next, please introduce. You know the clue, right? Your name, your activity, your hobby. Yeah, where do you live?
Okay. Hi, Sobat Almarkas, wherever you are. I'm Bian Aditabil Monti. You can call me Monti actually. And I'm a student like right now. I'm a last semester student. So I'm finished my thesis. I'm just waiting for graduate. And yeah, my activity now, yeah, I see before.
Yeah.
And my hobbies is I love playing badminton like lately. Yeah.
And
And
wushu?
martial art, yeah, of
Martial
course. Just
arts,
exercise, regular exercise.
Mhm.
And
Salsa?
the salsa? What is salsa? Oh, it's like dancing?
Yes.
No, I cannot.
So, what is your role in BMC?
I'm a participant.
How do you think BMC Bridge English Meeting
Oh
Club?
my God, this is a great place to learn English actually. And yeah, as Kak Deva said before, BMC not just a place.
Perez, yeah.
And, like BMC, we can learn a lot. We can practice more about our English because yeah, in our environment it's really difficult to someone can speak in English with us. And yeah, I got the environment.
And the most important,
Yeah, it's the most important.
you can
Yeah, I can attend.
you can come here.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
it's
yes.
a big opportunity to from you to invite me here.
We call this as a golden opportunity.
Yeah, this is a golden opportunity. Actually.
Yes, golden ticket. Yeah, really, we have a ticket.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome back. Yeah, welcome back,
Thank you.
Monty. Okay, next newcomer. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? Where do you live? What's your activity? What is your hobby?
Okay. Hello everyone over there.
Hi. Mhm,
all of the viewer, all the listener.
mhm,
So my name is Anggi Nugroho. So
mhm.
I'm new here
Uh-huh.
actually.
Your brother is Adi Nugroho.
Well, Nugroho, but
Uh-huh.
the front name is different. Yeah, the same. Okay, the
Uh-huh.
last name.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, well, it is more from my ancestor. It's a long story actually. So I'm new here in this BEMC community. So I'm also new in this city, in this
Mhm.
province in Sulsel.
Where are you from?
So I'm from, well, you can call that I'm from anywhere. So
Java, Sumatra, Papua, Kalimantan,
oh,
Borneo,
yeah,
Celebes.
I move a lot actually. My papa and mama move a lot. So I do my college, my
Mhm.
university in East Java,
Mhm.
Jatim, and then
Okay.
now I live in what is that? Borneo, yeah, Kalimantan.
Mhm.
So
And now, right now,
right now, just 2 months ago, I moved here.
so what is your hobby?
My hobby. Well, for everyday activities, I like to read comic, yeah,
Mhm.
or novel, something like that. The books, yeah, any kind of books. Yeah.
Do you like Rengina?
Rengina,
Uh-huh.
it is a wood, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it.
Sorry, random question.
Yeah, it's just so
Uh,
so so random and popping out and what I'm sorry, sir.
so, what is your role in BMC?
So my role in BEMC. So I'm actually a little bit uh I don't know.
Participant. You're a
Yeah,
participant.
participant. So
So, how do you think about study or learn in BMC, Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia?
also in this like the name, it is
Mhm.
bridge. So I meet new people and then I learn a lot of new things. So well, here we can have new connection and then new network, and then also we can practice.
Connecting people, yeah?
Yeah, this
Uh-huh.
connecting like Nokia. Yes. So yeah, I can practice also.
Don't say it like that. Oh my God.
English. Yeah, because like in daily life, I rarely use English, so here I
Mhm.
can practice it.
And finally, you got the new home, yeah, to practice English.
Yeah, this is
Yes.
new home. Thank you
Wow.
for the golden ticket.
Okay, give a good praise for us. Thank you, guys. Okay, before we are going to talk about the topic, I would like to spill the tagline of BMC. Yeah, if I say BMC, all of you say like this: more fun, more confident. Yes, more impact. Yeah. In the last is a widely, lebih lebar. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. BMC, more fun, more confident, more impact. Once again. BMC, more fun, more confident, more impact. Yes, giving applause for us. Yes, as I promised, Harvard Americans, wherever you are, I would like to spill the topic for today. And when we're talking about the art or seni in bahasa, it's very universal. But the most important is how the talent can receive, absorb, and develop their talent. And one of medium to develop to build the talent is register to do something like talent search, and this is a very unique and this is very interesting topic because today we will discuss about is talent search program. Give it a applause. Are you ready, guys? Udah siap belum?
Yeah.
Udah siap belum? Like jalan-jalan dengan sepatu rodaku. Like kanan. Okay, yes, talking about a talent search program, it's very related with media like television. Yeah, television. Our television is the great industrial entertainment in Asia, in even in worldwide. Yeah, something like that. So talking about search program, this is will be interesting. Okay, first, I would like to ask you, how do you think this is a universal question? How is your perspective about the topic for this afternoon?
Okay. For my opinion, this is the like a unique
Mm-hmm.
topic. There are so many podcasts, and it's kind of rarely to talking about the talent
Mm-mm.
search program.
Wherever no one community talking about this.
Yeah, maybe.
No one.
I think so. I think
Yes,
so.
yes, yes. Okay.
So I think about this topic is unique, and
Mhm.
everyone have to
Yes.
watching about the talents like in Indonesia, like Indonesians Got Talent,
Mhm.
and then Dangdut Academy,
Yes, sure. Uh-huh.
and then like Indonesia Mencari Bakat.
Mhm.
I think because I growing up with that like TV programs, so
Mhm.
I think it's interesting topic to talk.
Okay, keep your statement. Okay, Mangi, how do you think about our topic for this evening? Sorry, afternoon. This afternoon.
Okay, this afternoon
Mhm.
for what? Sorry,
Our topic. How do you think?
about the topic.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it is, yeah, a rare thing to discuss.
Mm-hmm.
So I think you have a really great intelligence. So you
Wow,
open
really?
a new
Oh my God,
field.
thank you.
So this is
Great intelligence. Oh my God.
so
Uh-huh.
the viewer can get a lot
Uh-huh.
of insight after this,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
because this is such a rare topic, and I think this is the thing that we should discuss as Indonesian, because Indonesian is have such a great population, right? So we
Mhm.
have a lot of talent.
Mhm. And send your food
Yeah, we
to
are,
vote your idol.
we like to post. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I understand. You are great intelligence.
Yeah.
Great. Sorry, great. Sorry, great. What great?
You have a, yeah,
Yeah, great.
probably great IQ. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Like scientists. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my God.
My arm
Uh,
blowing.
Man blowing. Okay, keep your statement. I move to you. So, how do you think about our topic for this afternoon?
Our topic for this afternoon, it's kind of like interesting topic.
Mm-hmm.
Cause yeah, as Kak Deva said before, never.
You know Deva?
Yeah, you know.
Deva. Sorry, Deva.
Yeah, it's really interesting topic
Mhm,
because we're talking about the talent of human,
mhm,
and yeah, as one of part of the biggest population in the world, Indonesia is the
mhm,
big population in the world. Yeah, actually, we have a lot of talent in our society. Yeah.
mhm,
So we're talking about this topic. It's really interesting because
mhm,
we can know other people talent. We can explain about other people talent. What
mhm.
we can start from us before.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
like what
Maybe you can register like boy and girl band in Indonesia, something like that.
maybe I will thinking it later.
Okay, the dance of icons, maybe, yeah. Or Indonesia mencari bakat, something like that, yeah.
Yeah, I will thinking it later.
Okay, give your statement. Yes, sahabat Markas, wherever you're, we are still here, of course, in 99.6, yeah, and the topic is talent search program in BEMC Corner English discussion, and we will continue our discussion, of course. Okay, a lot of talent search program. Okay, I will spill like as you mentioned, like Indonesian Idol, Dangdut Academy, yeah, Ida boy and girl band, and pop star, Indonesian pop star, like the talent, the industrial need to hire like presenter in the pop star, and Master Chef Indonesia, the icon of Indonesia, uh X Factor, The Voice, Dangdut Academy Asia, yeah, pop star versus dude, and Indonesian Got Talent, American Got Talent, Asians Got Talent, Dangdut Academy Asia. Oh my God, many more actually. You know, be a man. You know, be a man. Oh my god, it's kind of like a weird, but it's interesting.
What about Take Me Out?
Take me out.
It's
Uh,
Oh, enggak ada.
iya, not tell lebih jodoh ya. And sometimes beauty pageant also is
Yeah.
talent search,
Miss Universe.
like Miss Universe Putra Indonesia, Miss Grand Indonesia, yeah, and etc. Something like that. Yeah, beauty pageant, but
Yeah,
it's
beauty
it's
pageant.
also talent search because we find talent, something like that. The question is, Agi, how many talent search do you like, and why? What are they and why?
Okay. So what are they and why?
Mm.
That's the question. So it's just well hard question. So I like a lot actually in a lot of bidang
Okay.
also. So like I like singing talent,
Uh-uh.
of course.
But I would like to insist you to choose three,
Oh,
at
three.
least three until five at least.
Okay, 3 until 5. Okay, just three, right?
Yeah, three.
Just
Okay,
three
which
aja.
one?
Ya, gitu aja. Kalau three, I will choose the first one will be Indonesian Idol. So it
Uh-huh.
is a really successful
Second is
talent and search talent, and then the second is will be MasterChef.
the third is
The third is well, perhaps Putri Indonesia.
Putri Indonesia. Okay,
It is for
like semua karyamu.
like it's watch it. So
Uh-huh.
yeah, I watch it beside her. So,
But why you like them?
so because I think it is for women in our society, I mean Asian society,
Mm,
especially Southeast Asian,
mm.
it is for women there is no many
Women,
platform.
like kamu adalah
Perempuan.
perempuan paling.
Yes, so for women it is a good platform, so they
Mm.
can express themselves. So we are such a male dominated society. So for women, there if there's a platform, so I appreciate it. Yeah, it is Putri
Mm.
Indonesia.
Okay.
Yes.
Congratulations, you are the top five. The top three.
Okay, the top three.
Jen,
Okay.
you have 60 seconds to answer. Okay, thank you, Angie. Okay, what about you? Yeah, 3 until 5 talent search in Indonesia. What are they and why?
actually now I'm seldom to watch talent search program. Like
Mhm.
I never watch. But I was,
American Got Talent.
yeah, I never watch it
Mhm.
lately. Yeah, but I was watching when I was in junior high school. Yeah,
Mhm.
it's
What are they?
what are they?
Mhm.
Kenapa ya?
No, apa saja?
Oh, like when I was kid, someone was watching Idola Cilik.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Idola Cilik.
yeah,
Idola Cilik.
Master Chef,
Uh-huh.
and
Avi Junior.
Yeah.
Asian's Got Talent. Asian's
Asian's
yeah,
Got Talent.
I was watching that.
Like Anggun,
Anggun Cisasmi,
Jasmine,
Kailash, and yeah, like that.
Okay, so you're really watching you when you was child.
Yeah, when I was child.
How do you think about them, about the talent search?
Yeah, it's really great program because we can looking for someone has a good talent in the world. Like we can search a lot of things from there. They can show their talent. So we enjoy it. I especially I really love to I really enjoy to watching them.
Do you know Putri Ariani?
Putri Aryani, yeah, I know
Yes,
that.
American Got
Yeah,
Talent,
American Got
the
Talent.
fourth position.
Putri Aryani is blind.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, I know
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She is the fourth position in American Got Talent in a few years ago.
Oh,
Yes.
I
Yes,
don't know that.
fourth
I don't
position.
know about that, but I know Putri Aryani.
Supposed to be winner or runner up. Yes. I really believe it.
Yeah, that's good.
But we don't know the internal of them, right? Yes. Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. Okay, I back to you. So how do you think which one? The question. Fifth programs. Yes. Fifth programs. What are they
Okay.
and why?
Actually, I'm a bit like different with
Mhm.
Agi.
Mhm.
Agi because
Anggik.
Anggi.
Anggik,
Oh,
Agi.
Anggi.
Anggik,
Anggi.
Agi.
I'm sorry. Okay, Anggi. Yeah, Anggi is kind of like a talent research with just one capability, like just singing or just cooking.
Mhm.
Now,
Mhm.
for me, I like the talent research with the many talents, like Indonesian Mencari Bakat,
Mhm.
and then X Factor,
Okay.
and then yeah, Indonesia's Got Talent.
Mhm.
Yeah, for me, it's just three, the top of me.
Fifth.
Five. Mm, yeah, Idola Cilik.
Mari adu nyali,
I
adu
like
goyang,
Idola Cilik
adu
because
nyanyi.
there was one contestant from Bali. Name is
You
Dave.
saving yourself. You don't mention Dangdut Academy. You like it. I know. Wow. Oh my God.
Dangdut Academy.
Yeah. Mereka junior kali. Yeah, because you know it's big industry. This is a very cool. You know how the crew behind the scene produce them. It's very difficult. It's very. They need intellectual. They need capacity. They need. Oh my God,
Yeah.
everything. Yeah, to create the talent search. It's not easy, man. Yeah, yeah. So first is Indonesian Idol. Indonesia Mencari Bakat.
Indonesian Got Talent,
Uh-uh.
Indonesia Mencari Bakat.
Uh-uh.
Apa itu satu?
Master Save.
No.
Dangdut Academy. X Factor.
Bukan yang
The Voice. Rising Star. The Rising Star.
Oke, Indonesia Mencari Bakat, Indonesian Got
Mhm.
Talent, Indonesian apa? Idola Cilik.
Mhm.
Ya, Dangdut Academy.
Dangdut Academy. Which one? Dangdut Academy or Dangdut Academy Asia?
Dangdut Academy.
No, Asia.
No.
I like Asia. Oh my God, it's very. Ooh.
X Factor.
X Factor. Novita Dewi.
No.
Eh,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Vita Dewi.
Yeah, and Fatin Sidkia Lubis. But why?
She's the beach one, right?
The best one, yeah,
Yeah.
Fatin Sidkia
Fatin
Lubis.
Sidkia
The
Lubis.
season, the first season.
Grenade.
Yes. Why do you like them?
Because of their voice.
Mm-hmm.
Like Fatin Sidkia Lubis,
Mhm.
they have like a husky voice.
Yeah.
Nobody.
Oh yeah. Like
Yeah.
Grammy, oh yeah.
And then
Oh.
for Indonesians Got Talent,
Mhm.
like
Brandon, Sabrina,
no, Brandon Sabrina Indonesia Mencari
Hudson.
Bakat, Kak. Hudson Indonesia Mencari
Oh
Bakat.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
similar. Yeah, in Indonesia Got Talent and Indonesia Mencari Bakat. Yeah.
And this is the fun fact.
Mhm.
My twin sister is so falling in love with one contestant from Indonesia Mencari Bakat.
Which one?
Name is Joshua Pangaribuan.
Oh,
You know Joshua
Joshua.
Pangaribuan?
Joshua. I don't know.
Oh,
I forget.
Joshua Pangaribuan
I forget
is
already.
the third winner.
In what season?
Mencari
What
Bakat.
season?
First
First season.
season.
Okay.
First
Mhm.
season, I think.
The third.
He has like angel voice,
Ah.
and then she has he
Like
handsome.
how to say in English seriosa maybe
Seriosa,
the
no.
genre no seriosa pop.
Yeah, pop.
Okay.
And then he so fluent in English.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm.
he was so talented that time, but now I know that what I know that is he is studying in abroad now,
Mhm.
and like seldom to singing again.
Um,
Just Pangaribuan, you can search in it.
okay, after this, kalau gabut ya, because I'm very productive. Oh my God, I can give you a plus for us. Okay, I would like to check your spirit once again, guys. Bemsi.
More fun.
Repeat. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. Bemsi. More fun, more confident, more impact. Yes, give it a plus. Yes, sahabat Americas, wherever you are, we are still here in 99.6 in BMC Corner English Discussion. But don't go anywhere after this in 99.6. Yes, yes, yes. Welcome back to BMC Corner English Discussion in 99.6 Radio Almarcas. Sahabat Almarcas, wherever you are. Yes. Okay, please. Why always forget this? Okay, how are you?
Good.
Still good. Still good.
Okay, we check the spirit, yeah, your motivation, your spirit, your power. One, two, three. Vemsi, more fun, more confident, more impact. Yeah. Okay, back to the topic. You are ready, right? You are ready. You're ready.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So I jump or move to the next question about the talent search program. Okay. Which one the winner you like and deserve to be winner and why?
The winner of any kind of talent search.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's just a hard question actually. But I like actually it's from a really long time ago. It is the first batch of Avi.
Ah,
Yeah, Avi.
Tia,
Yeah.
the second.
Oh, the second.
Yeah, the first is Ferry
Oh
Afi.
yeah, very from Aceh,
Menuju
right?
puncak
Ah, yeah. The
gemilang cahaya mengukir cinta. Okay, why Afi? Why very? Not very, ferry.
Yeah.
Why ferry?
Not very.
Oo.
But it
Tia,
yeah
Tia.
the runner up
Oh,
actually.
yeah. No, run up. The winner, but the second season.
Oh yeah, the second.
Uh,
Oh yeah,
why Tia?
because in my my mom like
Mhm.
to play her song.
Hmm,
I think
adilkah ini?
I forget it.
Salahkah
Ambil
aku
bila perasaan
ini?
ini.
Yes.
I still remember.
Okay, another talent search.
Another song actually I like from American one.
Which one?
David Archuleta.
David Archuleta.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is from
okay.
I forgot
What season?
which is
Second, third, first?
I think
No, not third. Yeah.
not
Okay.
first, not
Because American Idol it's long time ago, and now it's how many
Now,
seasons now? 20?
I think more than 20. Yeah,
More than 20, right? Oh my god! Oh my god!
25, 26. I
Mhm.
think
Yes, it's oh my god! It's very long time.
last year
Mhm.
actually.
So what about the others?
What about the others?
Who?
Actually, from Dangdut always.
Which one?
Okay, so the only girl, our
Lesti Kejora?
little princess, yeah, Lesti.
Lesti Kejora.
Yeah.
Ah, Kejora
Ke,
pancarkanlah. Lesti.
yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know her. Yeah, I like her.
What? Why you like her?
Her personality.
Yeah.
So, it is such a example for us. So she come from a very
Cianjur.
very
Uh-uh.
small
Love.
city, yeah,
Uh-huh.
small village,
Small
actually.
village.
Yeah, so
Uh-huh.
so he can now she can now marry and have a good family, and then now very successful person.
And of course, rich.
Yeah.
Yes. Very rich. Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Monty? Which one your idol and why? Special for maybe if you don't know the winner, yeah, you can guess. You can mention about the top three, top five, top four, and what season, what talent search, and
Oh,
why
in
your idol.
Idola
Mahalini?
Chile, Idola Chile.
Yeah, it's
I
okay.
really
It's
love
okay.
Chelsea.
Chelsea,
Chelsea, yeah, I really love her because
Manchester.
she's just the one and only girl in top
Mm.
three.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
What season? What
Bagas,
season?
Bagas and
Bagas. Uh-huh.
Dava.
Yeah, but
Dava, Dava.
And Dava, yeah,
Dava, I know.
and Chelsea, yeah.
Chelsea, I know.
So I choose Chelsea
Why you do like it?
because she's the
Chelsea now is in the icon now in SCTV Chelsea.
I don't remember.
Yes, she moves
Yeah.
because now she is growing up and
Yeah,
now
yeah,
is yeah
she's growing up. Really.
she is now girl.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what about the others talent church?
'cause, I was told you before, I really love watching when I was a kid. So I was watching MasterChef Indonesia because my
Mm.
mom was watching that. So
Mm.
I follow her to watching MasterChef Indonesia too. And I love Ibu Desi. If you know Ibu Desi,
Which one?
That's my mom name.
Which one? Which one?
Ibu Desi in second season.
Okay. How many? Winner or top?
The winner, the winner.
Oh,
He's
wow.
a great chef.
So what about the others? Any
The
else?
others, oh, I really love the Secret Rihanna.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
Asas
yeah.
Talent.
That's a good channel.
I really
Like
love
this.
her. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that was move like that. Yeah, it's really scream, but I enjoy to watch her magician. Yeah, I love her. Yeah, I like that.
Uh-huh.
It's really scary things, but I enjoy to watch her.
Oh, okay. Thank you. What about you? You are ready? No, no, no. Mention the winner. Which one do you know?
Uh,
Uh,
winner of
yes,
the
the
one
winner.
supposed to be a winner.
Winner top three, and what the talent search and why?
Okay. First one is the one I think that who's supposed to be a winner is Habis Indonesia.
I know.
Habis Indonesia. I forget about the which season is, but there is
Musa.
no Musa. One season with Musa.
I love.
No. Rashid.
Rashid.
Yeah. Rashid has like a voice. No, a five. A five, unfortunately. No, five. Unfortunately,
Azza?
he is five. He is five.
And reveal, you know, you like Hafiz Indonesia song. But you don't know. I don't know.
But
How come?
no, Rashid has a good voice,
Mhm.
and then his voice like Michelle Rashid Al Afash.
Yeah, of course.
Actually, like that.
International
His
curry.
his
Yes.
voice. It's
Uh,
similar. It's so similar with
Oh my
with
god.
him.
What about Aksi, Akademi Sahur Indonesia?
I don't know.
Ustaz competition.
No, I don't.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, what else? Hafiz Indonesian.
Mhm.
What else?
For
What the
me,
talent search
Indonesia
program?
Mencari Bakat is supposed to be like winner is Joshua Pangaribuan.
Mhm.
Joshua Pangaribuan
But
because
unfortunately not.
yeah,
Yeah.
unfortunately just like
Mhm.
a third winner
Because his
because
voice, yeah,
yeah,
his
no, not his voice. It's like a voting.
voting.
Indonesia Mencari Bakat based on voting, Kak.
Okay.
So that's why
Almost.
yeah, voting, right? Okay.
Almost. Oh. Yeah.
This at MasterChef.
Oh, really?
Indonesia.
Yeah, it happens in Indonesia because there is a judges
Mm.
on there, and then for me the winner who's supposed to be a winner is Fatin Sidka Lubis.
Fatin is the winner.
Yeah, Kak. Yeah,
Yes.
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 She was the winner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, supposed to be a winner is, I mean, she is the winner
Mhm.
who's supposed to be a winner. Yeah.
She is deserved. She is
Yes,
deserved.
deserves. Yeah,
Yeah,
she's deserved to be a winner.
Yes.
Because I think I never met again.
She is deserved,
before.
and now Menu is serving.
Because I think there is one have like a voice like her.
Mhm. No,
Is that right?
no one.
No one.
Until now,
Yeah,
only
authentic.
in American in 90 how years, yes, it's a long time, maybe 40 years ago, 30 years ago, there is a voice like her,
Like
but right now no one.
nah.
Yes, no one.
That's called authentic.
Mm.
There are so many people has a talent.
Mm. But-
But there is no authentic. The authentic is important one.
Okay, thank you. What about me?
Yeah, you are authentic. I mean, you're intelligent. Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my God, I feel like a superstar here. Yeah, okay, give a applause for us. Okay, thank you. Now, okay, my next question is, yes, how do you think, guys, about the voting system? It is, how to say, it is, how to say, it is, how to say bahasa in English sesuai, yes, fair or not, or we need like a hub system of voting, a hub system of a judge, or how actually the proper system to selected the winner? Okay, Angie. Yeah, how do you think about the vote? Is it suitable or not, or we have other alternative to select the winner?
uh, it is suitable or not, or fair or
Mhm.
not.
Mhm.
I think it is. Actually, I'm on the side that think
Mhm.
it is really, really fair.
Mhm.
Yeah, because I think besides on the talent and then also from the expertise,
Mhm.
keahlian, it is also on the audience that
Mhm.
decide that
Mhm.
they should be the winner or not, or they go to the next round or not. It
Mhm.
is. So in after they graduate, yeah, they selesai their program.
Integration.
Yeah, the
Yes.
immigration.
Uh-huh.
So the public uh can already menilai
Mhm.
itu if they are really
Which one will survive on
which
industry,
will
right?
survive in
Yes.
that industry. So I think for the phase from the beginnings, they still need the vote because the vote can boost their competitiveness. Yeah,
Mm.
I think. But in the end, the industry it is a different thing. So
Mm.
they can
Mm.
survive or not. It is
Even you have like angel voice,
yeah,
it's not guarantee you will to be survive or success after that,
after that.
right? Mm.
I think it is a really, really important thing for voting system.
Mm. Okay. Class of Clench. Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you think about the vote system? Is it suitable or not, or so or what? And
For
why?
me,
And how?
okay, for me it's unfair. For me, because
Unfair.
unfair
Why?
because there are so many people like assessment about how to menilai kak.
Mm.
Assess about the talent.
Mhm.
It not based on their expertise.
Mhm.
It's just like she looks cute,
Mhm.
or
Mhm.
he is handsome,
Mhm.
or she is funny, or something like that. Entertainment.
Yes, yes, yes.
We everybody just think about the entertainment,
Mhm.
how to good in approach, good
Mhm.
to appearance.
Which
But
one do you choose? Yeah, like
yeah,
quality or
quality or
commercial?
commercial. Yes,
Yes.
of course. Nah, in talent search program, the main important point is the talent.
Yes,
The
yes,
talent, not
yes.
about the interesting.
Mm.
How to make people interested with us? No, we just
Commercial element. Just
yeah,
say commercial element.
commercial element. We just want to show about our talents,
Mhm.
and then show about our capability or
Yeah.
something like that. Not
Mm.
because you like me because
Mhm.
my commercial
Mhm.
stuff or something.
Mm.
So that's why. So I think it's most fair when the assess based on the judges who
Mm.
has the expertise about the talent.
Okay, so unfair.
Yeah, unfair.
Okay, you just say normal.
Yeah,
You say unfair.
fair.
Okay, what about you? How about the voting system in Indonesia? It's unfair. It's normal. Need to split or any another alternative to selected the winner?
Yeah. I think it's unfair because
Unfair or unfair?
unfair.
Unfair. Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, it's
I think fire
it's
to the rain.
yeah, it's not unfair
Mhm.
because yeah, the society don't have ability to judge about
Mhm.
their talent,
Mhm.
and yeah, just judges can
Mhm.
judge the talent.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah, so I think we have to switch the system.
Mhm.
We can half voting and half from judge score.
After this, we go to the director.
Yeah,
Always
yeah, of course, of course.
turunkan Oh, so unfair also. Yeah, because yeah, it's not objective. Yeah.
It's objective.
Mm,
Yeah.
between the talent and how to say the rank. Yeah.
Yeah.
The rank, like what is your position? Are you winner or first, runner up, second, third, and etc. Something like that, right? Okay. Keep your statement, guys. Yes, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are, still we are here in BMC Corner English discussion. Of course, in Radio Almarkas with Anggi, with Monty, and Deva. And of course, don't go anywhere after this. Stay tuned in 99.6. Yes, we are still here. Giving applause, guys. Yes, okay, please use this always aware about our mic. This is a very vital, yeah.
Yeah.
This is a very primal.
Yeah.
Okay, I would like to let's say hear your voice.
Yeah, the
Okay,
first.
one, two, three. Bumsy, more fun, more confident,
Confident.
more impact. Hey, give me applause. Aha. Okay, udah siap belum?
Siap dong.
Jalan-jalan.
Jalan.
Nona, Nona.
Okay, we're talking about talent search. A half of people's or artists come from talent search. A half of them not come from talent search. So, how do you compare, guys? Which one is how to say long term,
Long term.
not long term memory? Which one is a long term? Yes, Agi. Which one is Anggik? Yeah, Anggik. Which one is long term?
So which one? The first option and the second option. What is that?
First option is they come from talent church. Second is they are not come from talent church.
Oh,
Which one
okay.
is the exist long term
Okay. So
and why?
it is back to my own opinion before.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
I think it is from the, of course, talent search program.
Why?
Because talent search program, it is like immortalize
Mm.
your skill.
Mm.
So that is,
But I think, oh my god, it's thick competition. Oh my god. Uh-huh.
yeah, it is a stick competition
Mhm.
actually, sir. But I think because we put it in YouTube, so
Mhm.
10 years later or 15 years later, we can still watch their performance.
Mm.
But if not from outside from it, so we
Outside,
oh,
fresh outside, health inside.
in I think inside is more more durable. Yeah, more long term.
Long term.
Yeah, I think inside. So we have to I think talent search program should always exist in every era.
Every era, yeah. Thank you, yeah. Like Kejora.
Yeah.
Kejora.
So
Judika, yeah.
yeah, Judika.
Mm-mm.
So I think there are the talent search always produce something that uh always something new, something unique.
Mm.
So it is
Something
always,
new era.
nah, it is,
Yes.
yeah, it creates
Mm.
new era. Of
Mm.
course.
And life is never flat.
Love is
Okay. Yeah, what about you? Which one is a long-term exist? Talent search program or non-talent search?
This from talent search.
Yes, yes. Which one will be exist long-term?
I think I cannot choose because it depends from God bless. If God bless they're be able to be exist until now, yeah, it will be happen. But if not,
Are you Sufi?
no,
You talking about God? Oh my God.
no, just because we just see to our reality, you know.
Mhm.
Even though you're from talent program, if God not bless you to exist until now, yeah,
Mm.
you will be disappear.
Mm.
And yeah, it depends on their talented, of
Mm.
course. Like you have something in your own self, like you
Mm.
can share it to producers.
Mm.
Like we can see in Ayu Tinting, maybe we can get the example.
Alamat palsu.
Yeah. Yeah, she has a good, yeah, she has a good voice, she's a good attitude, and has a funny from the she's self, yeah.
Ting ting, yeah. Like a candy. Yeah.
not candy.
Yeah.
Not candy. It's
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Which one is be long term? To be access talent search program or non-talent search?
Okay. Same with Monty. It depends about God bless, and it depends about what the capability, how much the capability or from that individual, or that
Yes.
person to survive.
Okay. So, what is your conclusion for today? Yes.
From what?
This topic.
This topic. Okay. For me,
Mm.
the talent research programs.
Yes.
Beside, become like how to entertain person, or how to
Mhm.
entertain
See the
people,
camera, please.
entertain the people.
Mhm.
But I think the most important point in talent search program is how to assess the pure talent from
Mhm.
the people, how to survive about the uh that talent programs, because there are so many advantage
Mhm.
and challenge
Yeah.
and challenges for that. And then we must appreciate all of them who want to join the talent search, uh walaupun
Mhm.
walaupun they are not the winner for me.
Mm. Okay. After this, guys, prepare yourself to create like items, unfamiliar words, or final words, or final statement, because we still have time in 5 minutes. Okay. Prepare yourself. Okay. What about you? How is conclusion about our topic for this afternoon?
My conclusion is, I think it's a really great topic, interesting topic. We're talking about about talented person.
Yes.
And yeah, I think it's really really.
I think.
I think.
I think.
I think.
Yes.
And we can learn from this topic, like our um we can show our talent in the
like 6 days ago or a few days ago in
yeah
MC,
yeah yeah yeah
you
yeah, yeah.
you do your talent, right?
Yeah.
In entertainment session. Yes.
But it's just a bit.
You must show us.
We never come. We have a talent like salsa. We have a talent like pencak silat. How? Sorry,
Yeah,
pencak silat.
so that's it.
Pencak silat. We have a talent goyang duma. We have a talent kori. We have a
Which one
talent.
is which one?
It's a lot of okay. Any else? Are you
No, I think it's
okay? Thank you. Prepare yourself to give final statement or unpopular words, unfamiliar words. I mean, items and etc. Okay, what is your conclusion, Anggik, about our topic for this afternoon?
So the conclusion from my perspective
Mhm.
today is that talent search program has so many sides to see. So we can agree with it. All us also we
I like
can.
your body language because you're active.
Yeah.
I'm
Very expressive, yeah.
I'm still trying in front of camera because I'm a shy person actually.
I'm not believing.
Photogenic person.
Okay, continue your statement, your conclusion.
The conclusion, yeah, so we can agree with it, or we are not agree with it, or we are against it. It is also acceptable for us. So, but in the end, the
Mhm.
talent search program will always exist.
Mhm.
I believe in that. So, talent search program will have different forms.
You believe you can fly?
Yeah,
I
no,
believe
no, no.
I can fly.
No, I'm not a bird. Fortunately,
Uh-huh.
yeah. So it is my conclusion. Yeah, even though meskipun
Mhm.
the talent search people don't like it because it is unfair, they think. I believe it will always exist in every era.
Mm. So do you have message to Sahabat Al-Markas, our listener, Sahabat Al-Markas, what is your message?
So for our listener over there, so the message is please join BEMC.
Oh, genius. Thank you.
You have to register yourself.
Uh-huh.
There is a form that you can type your name and then your anything, your
Uh,
hobby. So
is this not Paris or Paris?
this is Paris. Yeah, this is actually Mr.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Sam,
Uh-huh.
the one that will look after you after you register yourself. So you will find a lot.
Because I am a hunter talent, yeah?
Yeah. So
And you will be sitting here. Okay, thank you. Okay, what is your message to listener of Sahabat Al-Markas?
Okay, hello sahabat Almarkas. Maybe I bisa like just come attending the meeting, the BMC meeting, and show your talented in front of us on
Oh,
Sunday.
and you will be superstar.
I don't know.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Deva?
Okay.
What is your message to Sahabat Al-Markas?
Yeah, for you guys who are searching a community, fun communities to speak in English, please join BEMC. And then my second message is everything happen in your life is just happening like that. You don't have responsibility to take all about what else say about you, and keep say this magic word. It's okay.
It's okay,
It's okay.
magic. Yeah,
Whatever is happening, just it's okay.
and we believe we can fly.
Yeah, we believe we can.
Yeah, we believe
We
we
can
can fly. Okay, give a applause. Thank you so much for coming here in BEMC Corner English Discussion. Of course, in our second home in Radio Al-Markas. And of course, Sahabat Al-Markas, wherever you are. Yes, I think you have to be like best person, yeah, for yourself. Okay, thank you so much for your kind attention and good afternoon. Yeah, thank you so much for Anggi. Thank you for Monty. Thank you for Deva for coming. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you everything. Thank you everyone. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you for the next week. Bye.